right there into the pit with them. Working their way around. There we go. Easy looking transfer there. And up and over that 90-degree bridge. There we go. We've got the Extreme Cowboy flower trail in the air. And we're a side pass right back towards it, putting it back down. Here we go. Navigating through the deadfall. Through the water box. Through the cowboy cushion. Into the turnaround box. We've got our gun. We're looking to shoot something. There it is. She got 2 of them. She got 3. All right. She's got her flag moved. We're onto the school. We're working breezy around that school. We're down. We got one thing left to do. There it is. Head towards that timer.